Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Peter Han, and I'm an artist and designer with 13 years of experience working under the video game industry, working in animations, and also with print and graphic novels, as well as even product design. My personal experience has been mainly within interactive design. I've done concept art and design work for such games as Spyro, Warhawk, Defiance under Tryon in San Diego, and I've also worked on a remake of Splatterhouse with Bottle Rocket Studios as well. I've also actually used my skill sets to be able to work in the eyewear industry in Paris and Italy for about 5 years. So I've been able to actually take my skills and apply them in many different areas within creative industries and be very effective in my communication skills and problem solving skills. So I'm happy to announce that I have introduced a brand new online mentorship program with CG Master Academy. I'll be working with a small group of you guys, upwards of 10, to customize and tailor your directions and your foundations and sketching skills. I'll be basing the core element from dynamic sketching and helping you then decide whether you want to take that information further or really just hit that mileage with more confidence. I want to make sure that I can really just give you the opportunity to help you guys boost your confidence and being able to find a guidance and a direction to help you apply that information where you want to. The general breakdown is that we have 8 weeks to work together. Each week, I need at least 3 hours of your time. Once we have that time, I can then really work with you and guide you in a direction to help you think about your plan for the future. So in that breakdown, maybe 5 weeks of it will be just kind of working with you guys individually, giving you lectures based on some of those fundamentals. And then from there, we'll talk a bit more about advanced lectures and see where we can take it. So I hope you guys will join me under this brand new online mentorship, and I get to work with you guys closely under CG Master Academy.